Okay, last one. Last one. Okay.
Oh, hot.
Okay. All right.
Here we are out in the wilds, almost like in the hill here, firing the wood fire, the wood fired kiln, the small one, and we're going to see what's happening in a day in the morning. It's going to be over, and then maybe a few days cooling, and and then it's the moment of truth.
The bit we were waiting for.
So you are, it's the two of you who are doing the wood firing here. So, but how has it been so far?
It's been great.
Yeah.
Intense, but
intense.
Lots of learning.
There's something about throwing clay from 10 o'clock till 5 o'clock for 6 days, where you can't help but feel a little more confident in your throwing skills and also learning new skills from Sokei-san. It's just every day. And we've been doing a lot of throwing off the hump, which to me is great for starting over, because if you make a mistake, you haven't, it's right there, you just start over. Keep doing it. So I probably lost most half of the things I was making, but I just kept going. Right. So it's and I love the studio. I love looking out the window at the bamboo and snow. I mean, it was
at one point there was snow too. It was,
there was a little snow.
So we are now in February. So it's still in the cold. But we just had this Setsubun, the spring sort of greeting festival the other day. So the monk came around and you threw the beans and out with the devils and in with I forgot what's coming in, but something good.
Something good.
Good,
Good luck, maybe.
Good stuff,
So that was cool to see as well.
And Sensei said, "How old are you?" And I said 70, and he said, "You have to eat 70 of those."
70 dried soybeans.
I think I ate at least 70.
I'm 70. 60.
Yeah.
But you have natto beans too, so maybe it's a new discovery.
The Japanese food is amazing as well.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, it was beautiful.
Right. It's your first time in Japan, is it? No.
First time. Yeah.
And you're still in the shock, or is it aftershock, or?
I don't think so. I think I'm getting used to it. Still maybe a bit of a shock when I'm in the supermarket.
Oh, why? Well,
I don't know, it's just overwhelming. There's so much stuff.
There's a lot of stuff. It's quite a big supermarket just next to the house.
Okay.
So that's good. Yeah. Okay, now it's time for business. Yeah. Oh. Here we go.
It's hot.
Wow. So hot. 今何度? So 1100 degrees Celsius for everybody who knows about Celsius. Celsius was a Swedish person, you know. The temperature guy.
You did Celsius in Sweden?
Yeah, he was a Swede. Celsius was a Swede.
Oh, right.
It came up,
Well, now we know.
Yeah, now you know. Yeah, it's one of the biggest contribution of Sweden to the world, you know.
That is a big contribution.
It's quite easy to understand. 0 is freezing water and 100 is boiling water. So, well, you can get an idea.
I don't know why Fahrenheit.
For some reason we have.
Fahrenheit is
Doesn't make any sense to me.
No, I don't understand. But here we go.
Not having the metric system.
You don't want to be invaded by foreign powers. Okay. So, what are you going to make now? What do you expect from this firing? You've been firing for 2 days?
Yeah, 2 days.
This is the second day.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mainly made tried to make tea bowls.
Tea bowls,
and
yeah.
teacups.
Yeah.
And
Well, I made a big mixture. I made teapots.
the
A lot of
beautiful
teapots.
Yeah. A lot of teapots.
Trying to perfect my teapots.
Yeah.
Like them, just get them to work.
Yeah. But you have your own school back home, don't you?
Yes,
So you're going to bring something from here to teach there?
Yes, definitely.
What
A lot,
kind?
I think.
A lot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Throwing off the hump, I don't do that at home.
Ah, okay. Coiling?
I do a bit of coiling. I
Oh.
haven't really done very much of that.
Okay.
Only throwing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
What's the newest or most different, so to say?
Making teapots, definitely.
It's different.
Yeah, that have come here.
Yeah,
Oh, what's the most
between home and
throwing
here.
off the hump and like getting the measurements right.
Ah,
And then like the trimming here is very different as well.
ah,
So we
yeah.
do it piece by piece
yeah.
when you're throwing, but here you like kind of off the hump, and then you can see how it will become a lot more efficient. But until you get there, it's much less efficient.
Ah, see, yeah.
But
It's
with
hard to learn.
practice, with practice.
Steep leaning.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
And I think
learn a lot.
of it was like cutting it off the hump. Because if you cut it off crooked, then when you
Yes,
try and
very
trim,
right.
so that's what I'm trying to work on. But also, the trimming tools are different here.
Ah.
So I'm getting used to the trimming tools, which look very easy.
Yeah.
When Sokei-san is doing it.
Yeah.
When I try to do it.
We finally
I mean,
We
doesn't want
getting
to.
used to it, but
used to it.
we didn't give up on it. We thought, I'm not going to use my old trimming tools that I brought from home.
Yeah.
I'm going to use these.
Right.
Yeah, we were getting involved. Definitely
So,
the way.
yeah.
And you liked Tajimi so much that you could see yourself living here. You said.
I would love to live.
Ah.
I'm a little tired of America,
Yeah.
but I've always I've been to Japan once before.
Yeah.
And,
Yeah.
I've always been inspired by Japanese design, and then also having kind of a Zen Buddhist background. The whole Japanese.
Yeah.
culture
Okay.
and
You're into that.
Oryoki bowl.
Yeah. So you came here as kind of a natural thing, but for you it was first time. So you must have had some idea or inspiration that brought you here.
Yeah, I think it's the. How to say? Like kind of like the intensity of the way that they or like how much their culture embraces craft, which I think is very different from a lot of.
How so?
Like,
How?
they're very like I don't know. It seems to me from as an outsider that they embrace it more, and they kind of like hone their skill much further than a lot.
I see. Okay.
So it's a great place to come and learn pottery because it's always more to learn.
Yeah. Well, all in all, you had quite a few points for Kusanokashiragama, I guess.
Absolutely.
Also, Sokei-san dug the clay, made the bricks. His passion for this is kind of inspiring to me.
Very inspiring.
It's like, I'd love to be as passionate to go dig the clay, make the bricks, make the kiln.
Everything.
600 or 700 these big bricks.
Yeah.
It's an inspiration.
Going all the way. Yeah.
So that's I love feeling inspired, and that's how I feel.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
We all are. Yeah.
Yeah.
We all are. We like to be that. Thanks a lot.